Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh. Welcome to my channel CBA Fitness. That's conceive, believe and achieve. So guys, today I'm going to give you a review of product of kettlebell. This is from the company Aerofit, and the reason why I thought of making this review is because there are a lot of products in the market for kettlebells who sell kettlebells, but sometimes we are not able to make up our mind which one to buy. And I have purchased this kettlebell from the company called Aerofit, and it's a good company, and I would like to give you guys the review of this product. So basically, as you can see, there are different weights starting from 4 kg, 8 kg, 12 kg and 16 kg. So this company makes only kettlebell only till 20 kg. So, and the last one is 24 kg, but this is not for the company Aerofit. So these 4 kettlebells basically are from the company Aerofit. And what I would like to highlight first, before moving on to the company's product, I would like to tell you what you should look for in a kettlebell. So basically, the kettlebell in the market, first thing you need to see what is the filler in that kettlebell. The filler as in what is the material which is used to get the weight in the kettlebell. So a lot of company put sand in it, a lot of company put water in it. So my choice of material is the pure iron. So for this product, if you can see, it's not a water filled or sand filled, it's a pure iron filled thing, which is good. It gives you a good hard feeling. And coming on to the handle, see, always remember guys, the handle has to be little rough, so that when you hold it, it doesn't slip from your grip. Because when you do workout, you might get sweat and it might slip from your hand. So the handle has to be sturdy, and at the same time it should be a little the diameter should be big, so that you can hold with the both hands. So these are the important things you should look for, and so that you are comfortable, like when you are doing a swing like this. So you should be comfortable. The weight should not fall from your hand, or it should be like strong hand grip. So, and now coming on to the price for the product, actually this starts from 600 rupees till I think 3,500 rupees. So based on your weight, the price will vary, but I would say it's a reasonable price product. There are the brands which are very much expensive. So you can keep this at your home, and you can just do a lot of exercise of kettlebell at your home place also. You don't have to go to any gym. In fact, for a matter, I have made quite a few videos on kettlebell, how to do workout with the kettlebell. You can go to my channel and see those workouts, and you can try yourself. So I hope I was able to give you a good information about this product, and please stay tuned to watch reviews of more such products which I generally use for my fitness. Thank you.